Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to set up a catalog on WhatsApp Business, step by step. Whether you're a small business owner, an online seller, or offering services, the catalog feature helps you display your products and services in a clean, organized, and accessible way, right inside WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to connect with your WhatsApp business. This feature works best if your Instagram account is a professional account, either as a creator or a business account. Once your Instagram account is ready, follow these steps. Tap the Edit Profile button on your Instagram profile. Scroll down and look for the section labeled Contact Options. Tap on Contact Options. Now, in the Contact Options menu, tap on WhatsApp Business Phone Number. Select your country and enter your WhatsApp business number. Instagram will prompt you to send a verification code to your WhatsApp number. Check your WhatsApp business inbox for a 6-digit code and enter it back in the Instagram app. Once verified, the number will now be linked to your Instagram account. Don't forget to toggle on the option that allows people to message you on WhatsApp directly from your Instagram profile. Tap the checkmark or Done to save your settings. Now, when visitors go to your Instagram profile, they will see a WhatsApp icon or button. With just one tap, they can open a WhatsApp chat with you, making communication faster and more professional. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Instagram account to your WhatsApp business. This integration not only makes it easier for customers to reach you, but also improves your business's credibility and customer service. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to give it a like or share it with someone else who might need it. Don't forget to follow for more helpful guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.